One of the first questions people often ask is, where do I begin? If you're asking this, you're not alone. That's why the GPS starts with something simple and grounding, 2 big picture checklists. There's a general checklist for anyone navigating a diagnosis of dementia, and a young age onset checklist for individuals diagnosed before the age of 65. Both offer the same thing, a clear, high-level map to get you started. These checklists pull together key steps from topics covered throughout the GPS, like getting a diagnosis, educating yourself, protecting yourself, and connecting to support and community. You don't have to do everything at once. Start right where you are. Choose the step that feels most important today, and then take it a day at a time. The GPS is designed to connect you to people because people are your best resource. As your needs change, don't forget to come back to the GPS to connect you to additional resources that fit the moment you're in. So if you're wondering where to begin with the GPS, start with a checklist. It's the roadmap.